Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am doing another bloom. Last week I did a bloom on a very small Lazy Susan. So today I'm going bigger. So I'm going up to an 18-inch round. And after this, I won't be able to do it in this video, but then I will show you the resin piece because this one won't be dry by the time I have to go to work. So anyways, 18-inch round. I have got some beautiful colors. So excited about it. So let's get down on the wood round and get started. I will be right back. All right, guys. So I have got an 18-inch round. I painted on this a long time ago, but I didn't really care for it too much. So I decided I'm going to turn this into a Lazy Susan. I was going to turn this into a Lazy Susan with this design, but it looks a little too chaotic for me. So I'm going to go with the traditional bloom, and then I'm going to get the hardware equipment to turn it into a Lazy Susan. So today I'll be doing the traditional bloom. So this is the Multi-Pro in the PPG in the 47-3110 Eggshell. And then I am going to be using Pebeo's Blue Green. Love this color. I'm using TLP Sapphire. I've got my Pebeo and bluish red, or red blue, excuse me, red blue. All the colors will be down in my description box. This is purple from my Liquitex. And then this is Arteza in gold. My pouring medium is the Sherwin Infinity Sea Base, and I am mixing it with the Varathane Triple Thick Polyurethane. All right, so let's get our canvas flooded with our white. That should be enough. Now just take the edges and fan this out a little bit, just to give it a little bit of wetness along the side. Just kind of help the paint flow. All right, might need a little more on the edge, we'll see. Okay. My first color I'm going to be using a lot of paint on this. Seems a little crooked, doesn't it? Hopefully it's not. All right, so we're gonna go with a lot of our gold. And we'll go with, this is my purple. My reddish blue. TLP and Sapphire. And then the Blue Green. All right. And this is my titanium white cell activator mixed with Australian Floetrol. I'm gonna blow it and then with my mouth, and then I'm gonna blow it out. Yeah, I like that a lot. Might end up with some negative space. We'll see how it blows out. But what I can do now is where I have the extra white, I can kind of bring it out some more to help flow. I'm trying to minimize how much paint goes spinning off of the spinner. I always end up with such a mess. So, Halloween is over. That means Thanksgiving is upon us. But if any of you guys are big Halloween fans and you like scary movies and scary shows, if you remember the TV show the movie It, well, they created a TV show on HBO, kind of like a prequel to the movies. So we started watching that the other night, and I gotta say, pretty cool. A bit scary. If you're not into scary movies, that might not be the thing for you, but we enjoy horror stuff. My Christmas show is opened on the 10th, and it's open till the 24th of December. I'm already selling some stuff. Got my clocks. I've got my coasters, my tiles. I am also making the Lazy Susans. This is a bigger one, then we got the smaller ones as well. So yes, big things are happening like they always do. I'm trying to increase my presence on my social media. And then of course, don't forget, I am teaching at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas in April. You can head over to there and book your tickets. I'm teaching 4 classes. Going to be teaching you how to make clocks out of vinyl records. That's going to be fun. Going to be doing a scoop and drag with a palette knife. We're going to pick it all up and scoop it all back out again. So yeah, a lot of fun classes going on. All right, this is really collecting nicely. Actually, my spinner's just a tad, it's a little bit wobbly. I gotta figure out what's loose. I don't think it's supposed to be quite this loose. All right, gonna give this a light spin. We're not gonna spin it out too fast. All right, let's go. All right, spreading out nicely. I'm gonna have to give it a big hard spin this time. Spreading out nice. Another big one. Gonna pour just a little bit on these edges. If I spin it again, it's gonna go ahead and fly off, I'm sure, but I don't want it to quite roll over itself as much. So just add a little bit there. There we go. Really nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna spin it back the other way just to see if it'll shift back in a little bit. This is an excellent color combination. Look at how the cell's spreading out. I really love the white cell activator with this. Fantastic. Seeing a little bit of an air bubble here. I'm gonna pop that with my little stick there. Let's make sure we don't have too much paint left. Not too bad. I think we'll go one more time. Nicely done. All right. Now I'm just gonna make sure all my sides and edges have got paint on them. Just go underneath that. This is gorgeous, guys. Love it, love it, love it. I will bring you guys down for an up and close look. I think what I'm gonna do is take it off of the spinner and then I'll bring you guys down. Okay guys, so here we are with the wet result. I'm gonna show you with the lights on, lights off, but look at these results. Beautiful cells. TLP Sapphire is really sparkling. Look at that cell activator, just sparkling. White cell activator looks like lightning. Look at that. And that's what we look like with the lights on. Okay guys, that is it. So it is drying. You saw the wet piece literally like that. I showed you the wet piece as I do this outro. So I'm going to work, but when I get back, it will be completely dry and then I will start getting it prepped for the resin coat. It's gonna take 2, maybe 3 coats because I like to make sure the sides and edges get really coated well. And then I will get the hardware put on and it'll be ready to go. So I want to do a bunch of these because this color combo was fantastic. I love it so much and it's drying so well. I love it, love it, love it. Anyways, I'll shut up. Talk to you, let's see here. Nate's next and I might have a video Wednesday, we'll see. Anyways, have a great rest of the weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.